What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the always on display not working issue in hyperos. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here tap on wallpaper and personalization. Now here tap on always on display and then here you will see a always on display button on the top. So tap on this button to turn it on, and after turning on this button always on display will start working. But after turning on this button, if you are still facing issue while using the always on display, then open settings, scroll down and tap on sound and vibration. Now scroll down and tap on do not disturb and then tap on do not disturb button to turn it off. So if this button is turned on, then you will not be able to use some of your phone's features. So turn it off and after that the always on display will start working. Now if you are still facing the issue after this, then check for your phone's software update. So to check that, open settings, tap on about phone and then tap on software version. Now from here check if your phone software is up to date or not. So if you have any available update, then update the phone's software, and after updating the software the always on display issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the always on display not working issue in hyperos. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.